Hello everyone, today I am going to starting the basic concept of physics. In this, first we start the mathematical concept which are frequently used in physics. So let us start. The number one is quadratic equation. As we know that quadratic equation has a degree 2, so I write here the equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is a constant of x square, b is a constant of x and c is a constant term, and also we know that a not equal to 0. Now the values of x, as we know that values of x, so for this one x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The next one is, if b taking positive, then we write minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Its first value, so its one is first root. The second root is minus b under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This one is the second root. The next one is sum of roots. Sum of root means minus b upon a. So right here x1 plus x2, that is minus coefficient of x minus sign taken with b. So next one is coefficient of x square. These are the ratios of sum of roots. Next is product of roots. It means x1 into x2. I write here c upon a. C is a constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. The next I take an example for this one, x square minus 2a minus 15. So after solving it, I got 2 plus minus 8 by 2. For first one is x1 2 plus 8 by 2. I write here 5, and another one is 2 minus 8 by 2, that is minus 3. Now the next one we prove its formulas. It means root and products, sum and products of roots. The next one is sum of roots. I write here x1 plus x2. First we take like this one, and then we put here minus of 2. Here is a value of b is minus 2 from equation, and minus 1 minus is the symbolic representation minus b upon a. So I write here minus 2 upon 1, that is equal to 2. The next one is x1 plus x2. x1 is 8 and x2 is 6. So I write here x minus 6, that is equal to 2. So both of them are equal. So this one is proven. Our formula is correct. Next one is product of roots. Right here c by a. C value is minus 15. A is 1. So right here minus 15. The next one is, after putting x1 and x2, I write here x1 is 5 and x2 is minus 3. After multiplying we got minus 15. So these are our answer. Next is binomial theorem, which is the most important part, frequently used in different chapters, such as gravitation is one of them are examples. Now the binomial theorem is, it's a proven values, that is 1 plus x to power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 into x square, or divided by 2i. I means factorials, n factorial 2. Next is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon factorial 3 into x square upon factorial 3 into x square. So on. These are the basic formulas of binomial theorem. The next one is how to write factorial. Factorial is write like as you know that capital L under 2 or 2i. How to expand it? Factorial 2 is write 2 into 1. Factorial 3 write 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 5 I write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So we got this one. Next is a condition for factorial, where we use, first one is, if already given x is very less than 1, then we use frequently and write the answer like this: 1 plus x to power n, then we write 1 plus nx, and next one is 1 plus x raised to the power minus n, then we write 1 minus nx. Combo of this one, 1 plus minus x to power n, so write 1 plus minus nx. If 1 minus x to power n, we already write 1 minus nx, and both of them are minus, it means 1 minus x and power minus n, then we write 1 plus nx. Here this minus and this minus multiply and we got plus. So these are the binomial theorem. Now take an example of this one. I write here, calculate the values of g dash if h is, it means height, is much less than radius of the earth. R is the radius of the earth. So I write here, already given the question, g dash is equal to g r square r plus h. This example taken from gravitation. So I write here, g dash is equal to r square r plus h whole square. The next one is g dash is equal to, I take r as a common, so right here outside of the brackets r square, so r both of them are cancel, and the next 1 upon 1 plus h by r whole square. So this one is taking the upper side, so right here minus 1 as a power. So we got g dash is equal to g into 1 minus h upon r to power minus 2. As we know that we are using 1 plus x to power minus n is equal to 1 minus nx, and we got g within bracket 1 minus 2h upon r. These are our answer. The next is trigonometry. Already we have studied this topic in previous class, so I am giving little bit, not much more on this one. So right here, trigonometry. It is a branch of mathematics which deals with the angles and ratios of their sides in right angle triangles. Now the next one is angle. Already you study in childhood. Angle is a space between two arms from a common vertex. Now here I write here, amount of rotation of point about another fixed point. Another fixed point means vertex. It is denoted by theta. So right here theta is equal to length of arc upon radius, that is L upon R. The next topic is when we take positive angle, when we take negative angle. If we go anti-clockwise directions, then we take positive. If we go clockwise direction, then we take negative. So right here this one is a positive theta and another is a negative theta. The direction of this one is a anti-clockwise and direction of this one is clockwise. Next topic is trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and sec theta. Already you have know that sin theta p upon h, where p is perpendicular, h is hypotenuse. Cos theta you know very well, base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta perpendicular upon base. Next one is cot theta, b upon p, just opposite of tan theta. Sec theta h upon b, and cosec theta h upon p. Already you know very well. The next one is important relation, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Already all these things known by you. The next is important from here, our study point of view, that sin 2 theta is equal to into sin theta into cos theta. These are important formula. Next one is cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1. Both of them are frequently used, so always remember. Next one is tan 2 theta, 2 tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta. Another one is sin A plus B, it means sum of angles. Then we write sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Just alter the angles and alter cos and sin. Cos A plus B. So I write here cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. If here is negative, then this one is a positive. So next tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon tan 1 minus tan A into tan B. So always remember this one, and at last all of them are negative ones. So remember all these. Few of them are here is a sum of sin A and sin B, that is equal to 2 into sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. All these are remembered by you. Not if you are not remembering these things, then you are facing problem during solving the numerical values. Now the angle is not a difficult part, because already studied sin 30 degrees of sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree. So I don't write here, already you know very well. Next one is allied angle. It means where they lies. Already we know that the quadrant, it means 1/4. First quadrant, second quadrant, and third and fourth one. So in first quadrant all values are positive. Second quadrant only sin and cos x to be there. So I write here sin and cos. In third, tan and cot, and fourth cos and sec. It means if we take sin 90 plus theta, then it goes to their own home, it means second, so it gives a positive result, that is cos theta. If we take cos 90 plus theta, then cos goes to another quadrant, that's why it is negative 1. So write here minus sin theta. Similarly, in case of 180, if I write sin 180 plus theta, it goes to third quadrant, so it was negative. If minus, then it was positive. Similarly, in case of 270 and 360. So all these are written. You take a screenshot of this one, or maybe you memorize, so that you can solve easily. Now the next one is application parts of this one. This one is very important, not only for your examination purpose in your schools, but also in competition Neet and Iit-Jee. So always remember, here is given angle 53 and angle 37. The relation is sin 53 degree is equal to 4 upon 5, cos 53 degree is equal to 3 upon 5, and tan 53 4 upon 5. All these are the relations, that is application part of this one. Next one is sin 37 3 upon 5, cos 37 4 upon 5, and tan 37 3 upon 4. Always remember these values are very useful for us. Next one is conversion. It means degree to radian, radian to degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi, and 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180. C is a symbol of radian, so pi c is a symbol of radians. Now next one is, I take an example, 43 degree 37 minutes into radian. First we convert 37 minutes. For this one converted into degree, because already know degree into radian. So here converting 37 degree, 37 upon 60, that is 0.6166. So I write here 0.6167 degree. This one is a degree. After adding, we got 43.6167 degree. So write here 43.6167 degrees, and after solving it, we got 0.762 radian. Now the next one is radian to degree, 0.3942 radian. It's very simple, 180 upon pi multiply by 180 upon pi, we got 22 and 586 degree. Next part is a function. Function is coming in the next chapter, but before it I will give you some questions so that you try to solve it. First one is on binomial theorem, and the second one already I am discussing in last. So you take selfie of all these questions, and after that we solve all the question in next. I will give you the answer in the next part. First you try to solve it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.